You want a coding job, but do you really need to learn data structures and algorithms to get one? Some people will say yes, other people will say no. But to be for real, some big tech companies will not even look at you if you cannot solve a basic DSA question. So let's start with the foundational question. What exactly is data structures and algorithms? Stick around because I'm about to break it down in the simplest way possible. At the end of this video, you will know what data structure and algorithm is, the same way you know ABC. What is a data structure? Simply put, a data structure is a way to organize and store your data. Imagine you have clothes, you have groceries, and you have documents. You probably wouldn't just throw them on the floor, right? You put your clothes in a wardrobe, you put your groceries in the fridge, and then you put your documents in a folder. Why? Because organizing your stuff make your life easier, right? Data structures do the same thing for computers. They organize data for computers so that it is easy to use, easy to access, and easy to manage. And we have some common types of data structures, even though we're not going to go into them in this video. We have arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, hash tables, and so on and so forth. Now, what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step process for solving a problem or completing a task. It is the how behind getting something done. For example, if you want to cook rice, you follow a process, right? Number one, you wash the rice. Number two, you boil water. Number three, you add rice to the boiling water. Number four, you cook for 15 minutes. That process is an algorithm, a step-by-step process to achieve a result. In this case, our result is cooked rice, and our steps are the algorithms, the process we are taking to get to the result. Computers, in the same way, also follow algorithms to process data and solve problems. Let's talk about a few real life algorithm examples. For example, recommending content. YouTube and Netflix, those platforms use algorithms to suggest videos or movies based on your preferences. That process is an algorithm. Algorithm categorize your emails into primary, social, promotion, spam. If you are using a GPS navigation system, algorithms helps you calculate the fastest route to get to your destination based on traffic time. Now, how do data structures and algorithms work together? Good question. So data structures are like containers or tools, while algorithms are the instructions for using those tools. You have groceries, that's your data. You will need a fridge, which is your data structure, to store them, right? Then you will follow a plan, which is your algorithm, to find what you need to cook and cook it. Together, data structures and algorithms makes things efficient. Data structure organizes the information, algorithm processes the information in a logical way. Now, the big question, why do you need to learn DSA? Why do you need to learn data structures and algorithms? Here is why DSA is important, even for beginners. Number one, efficiency. It helps you to write code that runs faster and uses less resources like memory or processing power. Number two, problem solving. Data structure sharpens your ability to think logically and solve real world problems. Number three, programming foundation. Data structures and algorithm is the backbone of computer science. You will use DSA concepts in almost any programming project. Operating system, database system, web applications, machine learning, video games, cryptographic system, data analysis. You need DSA across board. And last but not the least, job interviews. Most tech companies will test your knowledge of DSA to see if you can actually solve problems effectively as a developer or whatever it is that you are in tech. Now, before we go, let's do another simple analogy for DSA. Imagine you are planning a road trip. Your data structure is your car trunk, or if you're Nigerian, your boots. It holds everything that you need for your journey, which is the things you need for your journey are your data. So your data structure, which is your car trunk, holds all of that. Your luggage, your snacks, your essentials are kept in the data structure, which is your car trunk. Your algorithm is your map or your GPS. It gives you step-by-step direction to reach your destination. Without your car trunk, All your stuff will be scattered everywhere. And without a map, you wouldn't even know where to go. So you need both to make your journey smooth and successful. Now, how do you get to practice common DSA interview questions? I highly recommend having a LeetCode account and solving questions on LeetCode. So bottom line of this video is data structures are the way we organize and store information. Algorithms, they are the steps or instructions to process that information. And why do we need to learn them? They are the blueprints and tool for solving problems, making systems efficient, and building anything in tech. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more tech and coding content. See you in my next video. Bye.